Hello and welcome to the video. In this video, we'll learn how to pick the files from a folder and place it in our Excel file. So, in this example, we will pick these files. These are invoices. So, these file names and place it in our Excel. So, to do that, let's start writing the code. Press Alt F11 to go to VB editor, and here we will write the code. So let's give the subject as get file name. Should be fine. Can give any name. Then sheet 1, select range A1, A1 select. Then we'll open one dialog box. So we'll ask the macro to get that object. To get that object, we'll say with application file dialog. What kind of we want? We want folder picker. So we'll select this and close it back. And we'll give a title to this. Say, please select a folder to pick uh, to list files from. Okay, that should be fine. I'll show that dialog box. And width. So we'll close this and width. And in between this will there will be one. Okay. Now we need to say when the folder picker do we pick the folder or not. So it needs to identify. If we don't pick the folder, it will come out of the loop. But if we select the folder, then action needs to be done. So we'll give if with selected items count not equal to 0. That means we have picked something. Okay, then what we need to do, we'll give a directory name. One variable will give as, because when you pick it will pick the folder without the last slash. We need to add that. We'll say is with selected items, not selected items, index 1 and backslash. We're adding this double quote. Sorry. And okay, and let's pick the file name. We'll give a variable file name, and what that would, it will pick from the directory variable which we are given. Directory name VB normal. Now we have started with if, there should be end if. Okay, okay. Within this, we'll have one do while loop. Do while file name is not blank. That means it will look through last file. First to the last. Name is not equal to blank. And active cell offset. Offset is away from the active cell. So now first it will be in A1. So we are moving from one row below and same column. So 0. Select. So initially it will be in A1, then it will go to A2, next A3, so on so forth until the last file. Okay. And once it's selected, active cell formula is will give will place the file name. Here is our file name. File underscore name. Then we'll make file name. Once it is entered, then again we'll make it clear so that it goes and picks another file. Okay, I think we are done with this, and let's try on run. So here you can see the run button, or you can press F5, click here, and if oh okay, we are given a do while loop, we have not closed the loop. So yes, we need to. Yes. So once you run, it will ask to select the folder. So you can see the title which we are given. Please select a folder to this files from. You can see here. Whatever you give, it will come here. I don't know, for some reason my system is slow today. Tuesday blues. Oh, it's Monday blues, not Tuesday. Okay. So I'll select Atisha media. What's this? Sorry. And yes, it has picked. Let's check. If you look, it has picked all the folders. Sorry, files from the particular folder. Okay. So you can find the this code in the description of the video. I'll put it in the description of the video. The code you can copy and try in your Excel and see if it works. So that's all for this video. Until next video, it's bye from Saravanan.